If you're thinking about investing in Fantasia Trading LLC or Anker products, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know before making that decision. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of whether these products live up to the hype and if they're worth your money. So stick around, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with the most important thing. Fantasia Trading LLC has been gaining attention in the trading world, and with their partnership with Anker, they've managed to build a reputation. But are they really the best option, or is there something better on the market? Well, when compared to other trading platforms or tech accessories, there are a few things that really set them apart, and some areas where they don't quite measure up. The first thing you need to know is the ease of use. If you've used other trading platforms or tech gadgets, you know that a complicated interface can ruin your experience. Fantasia Trading LLC and Anker have worked hard to make their platforms intuitive. While some competitors might offer more complex tools, Fantasia has really streamlined its services, making it easier for beginners and experienced traders alike. Whether you're managing a portfolio or exploring tech options, this simplicity can make a big difference. Next thing you should be aware of is reliability. Fantasia Trading LLC offers stability that you won't always get with other trading firms. Their customer service is available 24/7, and you'll rarely face technical issues, which is a major plus compared to competitors who have been known for downtime. Plus, their integration with Anker means that the tech behind their services is both powerful and dependable. The third thing is the pricing model. Many companies will lure you in with low fees only to have hidden costs that show up later. Fantasia Trading LLC is upfront with their pricing. While Anker tech products can be on the pricier side, you're paying for quality. And in terms of trading platforms, Fantasia's rates are competitive when compared to other big names in the market. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the range of tools and features. Fantasia Trading LLC, in partnership with Anker, gives you access to a range of features that most competitors can't match. The trading software comes with top-tier analytics, a user-friendly dashboard, and customization options that let you fine-tune everything to your preferences. Other platforms might focus more on specialized features, but the all-around experience that Fantasia and Anker provide is one of the best in its class. Next up, let's talk about security. Security is one of the biggest concerns when choosing a platform, and this is an area where Fantasia Trading LLC excels. They use state-of-the-art encryption, two-factor authentication, and regular audits, so your investments are always protected. Compared to other companies that might not have the same level of security measures, this is a significant advantage. Now, the sixth thing is their customer support. While most trading platforms offer some form of customer support, Fantasia Trading LLC has built a reputation for exceptional service. The Anker connection also means they have high standards when it comes to supporting their tech products. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue with a trade or figuring out how to use an Anker product with your system, you're going to find that their team is responsive and helpful, which isn't always the case with other platforms. Finally, let's talk about the flexibility of the system. Fantasia Trading LLC allows for more flexibility when it comes to your trading needs, giving you the freedom to scale up or down as your portfolio changes. Whether you're a long-term investor or someone looking to make more frequent trades, their system adapts. Anker also provides flexibility in their tech products, which integrate seamlessly into your trading experience. If you're still on the fence about Fantasia Trading LLC and Anker, here's the deal. You can try it out completely free. Click the first link below to get the best offer for the product and exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. If you want to experience Fantasia Trading LLC and Anker for yourself, click that link and start your free trial now. Don't miss out on what could be the best trading experience you've had yet.